Hello everyone, today is a special day because I finally got a LEGO Classic 11036 Creative Vehicle set. Let's open it together and look everything inside of it. If you are new here, my name is Poyraz Okan and I love building amazing LEGO creations from using LEGO Classic sets. I have built hundreds of models using LEGO Classic 96 and 98. And today we are starting a brand new journey with LEGO Classic 11036. Then let's go to open the box together. Before we continue opening this LEGO Classic 11036 set, I want to tell you a story. It's the story of how a few simple LEGO bricks changed my life. And honestly, if you are a parent watching this video with your child, or if you are a young builder like me, I think you will understand why this moment is so special. My name is Poyraz and I was born in 2014. Today I am a 5th grade student. I run this LEGO YouTube channel and I spend a lot of my free time creating models and sharing them with people all around the world. But none of them happened overnight. It all started with a few LEGO bricks. I was only about 3 years old when LEGO first entered my life. Of course, at that age, I wasn't thinking about creativity, engineering, design, or problem solving. I was simply a curious kid who loved building things. I remember looking at a pile of colorful bricks and wondering what I could create. A car, a house, a robot, a dinosaur. Every time I connected two pieces together, it felt like I was creating something completely new, and that feeling never disappeared. As I grew older, one of the LEGO sets that had the biggest impact on me was LEGO Classic 10698. That set was different. It didn't tell me exactly what to build. Instead, it gave me something much more valuable. Freedom. Freedom to imagine. Freedom to experiment. Freedom to make mistakes. And freedom to create something that nobody else had ever built before. At first, my models were very simple. Sometimes they look funny. Sometimes they fall apart. Sometimes they didn't even look like what I want them to be. But every single build taught me something. And that's one of the biggest lessons LEGO has taught me. You don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to start. The more I built, the more I learned. Whoa, there are so many colorful pieces here. I can already see some interesting elements that will be perfect for future vehicle buildings. Without realizing it, LEGO was helping me develop skills that I still use today. It improved my hand coordination. It strengthened my fine motor skills. It taught me patterns. It taught me focus. And maybe most importantly, it taught me how to solve problems. When I built didn't work, I couldn't just give up. I had to stop, think, and try another solution. And then another and another. Eventually, I discovered that failure wasn't the end. It was simply part of the building process. And honestly, that's a lesson that applies to life too. One thing I have noticed is that many people see LEGO as just a toy, but I see it differently. LEGO is a learning tool disguised as a toy. When children build with LEGO, they are practicing creativity, they are developing critical thinking, they are learning spatial awareness. They are improving concentrations, and most importantly, they are learning how to turn an idea into reality. In today's world, children spend more and more time in front of screens. There is nothing wrong with technology. After all, you are watching this video on screen right now, but I believe children also need opportunities to create something with their own hands, to build, to experiment, to imagine, and that is exactly what LEGO encourages. But there is another reason why LEGO is so important. Something that I think many parents sometimes overlook. LEGO isn't just about building models, it's about building relationships. Some of my favorite memories involve sitting at the table with family members and building together, talking, laughing, sharing ideas, helping each other. Those moments are worth much more than the bricks themselves. When parents and children work together, something amazing happens. Children gain confidence. Parents become part of their children's creative world. Communication becomes easier, and families create memories that can last for years. I truly believe that every family should spend some time building together, not because the finished model is important, but because this time spent together is important. Now, as I open this new Lego Classic 11036 set, I can't help but think about that 3-year-old kid who first started connection bricks together. Back then, I never imagined that one day I would have a YouTube channel. I never imagined that people from different countries would watch my videos. I never imagined that I would be sharing my Lego journey with thousands of other builders. But here we are, and that is why this set means more to me than just another box of bricks. For me, every new Lego set represents a new adventure, a new challenge, a new opportunity to learn, and a new opportunity to create something that didn't exist before. Over the next weeks and months, I will be building many creations from this Lego Classic 11036 set, right here on this channel. Some of them will be successful, some of them might not work the first time, but that is the part of the fun. The journey is just as important as the result. So, if you enjoy creativity, imagination, and building amazing things from simple Lego bricks, I would love for you to join me on this adventure. Subscribe to the channel, become part of our growing Lego community, and let's see what incredible creations we can build together. Because every great creation starts the same way, with a single idea and just one brick. One thing I immediately noticed is the variety of parts. This set looks fantastic for creative vehicles, boats, and costume Lego creations. This is only the beginning. In the next video, I will make amazing cars, trucks, and many original creations using Lego Classic 11036. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching. Which model should I build first from this set? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!